Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, I know it's midweek but we're in for a treat today because I'm going to cook this chicken breast, but it's going to be stuffed chicken breast. It's going to be stuffed with mozzarella cheese, some herbs and some lovely beautiful black olives that have been really carefully sliced up quite small, and yeah, it should be really delicious. I mean, you know, what a treat. So anyway, for this recipe we're going to need these ingredients here. So here we have some herbs. These are mixed herbs, but you can have herbs of your choice, and of course some lovely mozzarella cut into fairly thin slices. Then a beautiful fresh chicken breast. I've got 2 of these. Some salt and pepper for the usual seasoning that we have, and these are sliced black olives. You can use any olives that you like. I prefer the sliced black ones myself. Firstly, we can pat the chicken breast nice and dry, and then very carefully, and I mean carefully, take a sharp knife and cut an incision into the chicken breast, sort of a pocket if you like. Cut it quite deeply, but be very careful not to go all the way through. There we go. That's quite neat, isn't it? Perhaps I'll just do a little bit more. Don't go right through though. There we are. Perfect. Now we can open up this pocket, put our mozzarella cheese in first, tuck it in to the back like that. Then we can add a little sprinkling of herbs. Try and spread this about a bit. There we go, lovely job. Then our sliced black olives, in they go. These will give it so much flavour. Now we have a tricky bit. Make sure they're all stuffed in. And we need some little wooden skewers, or cocktail sticks if you like. We'll pop those in because they hold this together quite nicely. We don't want this to fall apart in the pan, so this step is really very important. Now you might not want to do this, but I do. I just snip off those ends because I find they're a little bit too long and it's a bit difficult to turn the chicken breast over in the pan while it's cooking. Now we need to coat it with some breadcrumbs, so on we go with an egg wash. Get this all over, and this will make the breadcrumbs stick nicely. And then obviously the breadcrumbs are going to give it that really nice crunch when the chicken's cooked right through. So we want to cover this all over as much as possible. There we go, pick it up, give it a little bit of a shake, get the excess crumbs off. And there we are, that's ready for the pan. Now I'm using a wok. You can use whatever pan you like. Now in this wok I put a hefty knob of butter, in that goes, and quite a bit of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if you wish, and then once it's nice and hot, in we go with our chicken breast. Now we want to carefully brown this all over, so we're going to give this a little bit of a baste there around the sides before we turn it over. You can see we've got quite a nice heat there now. And also when you mix the olive oil and butter, it tends to help to stop it burning. Now we have to turn it over very carefully. Although it's quite secured with the little sticks in there. There we go, baste it over a bit. Let that cook. It's starting to get that nice colour now. There we go. A bit more on the other side. On that egg. So it's cooked all the way over and cooked right the way through. This probably take about 15 minutes I suppose. Look at that beautiful colour. That's just perfect. There we go, now for our taste test. There's a little bit of cheese sneaked out there. I know where that's going. So we cut a little piece off, on with the cheese, and now for our taste test. Yep. It's really, really tasty. Trust me, that cheese, that mozzarella in there, it's unbelievable. And the herbs, and just everything about it. I mean, and cooked in the butter and oil. Yeah, that's fantastic. What more can I say? Except, what am I going to say? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Please give me a like and a share. And yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye for now.